So hello everyone, I'm Heth Rathod and today we are going to solve lead code question number 509 Fibonacci number. So in this question, the Fibonacci numbers commonly denoted Fn from a sequence called the Fibonacci sequence such that each number is the sum of the two preceding ones starting from 0 and 1, that is f0 is equal to f. Then as you can see, this is the formula for this question. So basically for Fibonacci we just use our recursion. So firstly we just understand what is Fibonacci. So Fibonacci means each number, Fibonacci is each number is the sum of previous two numbers. So basically Fibonacci series from start from 0 1 1 2 3 3 5 8 and up to n. So for this so basically our Fibonacci formula is, as you can see, this is the given our Fibonacci formula. So firstly we just, our base case for this question is if our n is compared with 0, so it's written our 0. Then if our n is compared with 1, so it's basically written our 1. And as you can see we have recursive case. As you can see, this is our main formula for Fibonacci number. So if we as you can see, if we take Fibonacci number for 4, so its formula start for Fibonacci 3 plus Fibonacci 2. So our Fibonacci 3 is 2 and our Fibonacci 2 is 1, so our main output is 3. So our Fibonacci number 4 is 3. So now let's go to our main code and try to solve this question. So firstly we just try our base case. If our n is equal to 0, so basically it just return our 0. Then if our n is then it return us 1. Now just return Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. This is the full solution of this question. Now just run this question. As you can see, is passed for all example. Thank you for this video.